What's going on, Alex? So I know we film a lot of houses, but this is by far the biggest, craziest, strangest house that we've ever been to in the Philippines, let alone filmed. So I want to show you what a house looks like when the pandemic happens. You're locked in at home, you got way too much time on your hands,
too much money, and you bored.
And you just keep building because you're bored. So this house is for sale. We'll talk about that later. So the first thing I noticed when I pull up to this property is this insane wall or fence around the property. This is not a typical Filipino wall around the house. This, they said it was military grade, galvanized steel, powder coated to last forever. Everything rusts here. This one is crazy. It's also a massive security fence. You're never gonna get over that razor wire. This is probably the most secure property I've seen, including like the mayor's and governor's house. This thing is crazy, and it is a prepper's dream. So that's just, we haven't even gone inside the wall. Let's go inside. Yeah, so real quick, the owner wanted me to mention that every window you see on this property is double thick laminated glass, super hardened glass.
Yeah,
except
bulletproof, yeah?
No. This is just the hardened, this is just like the doors and the windows. All right, the bulletproof, they also have bulletproof glass downstairs, but let's get to that later.
Okay.
This is Batman.
Hello, my friend.
So Alex, they told me that this pool is basically built like a bunker. Double thick concrete foundations, everything, super thick rebar, and yeah, there's also a tennis court which is built the same way, just overkill deluxe. Like I said, everything here, you're gonna see a bunker theme for the entire property. Oh! So Alex, how's it going? I'm your annoying neighbor. Hey, where's So these massive doors get rid of the karaoke neighbors, if there was any. Not that there is out here, but you could also open the entire wall.
Here it is, their fully furnished kitchen.
It's huge.
Nice pressure. This is toilet and shower on the ground floor. This is the first children's bedroom.
Sweden.
And this is the second children's bedroom on the ground floor.
So this is just the first floor, and it has 2 bedrooms and a bathroom, and they wanted us to tell you that it all comes furnished basically as you see it, with all the furniture and everything. So upstairs is an entire master bedroom. Let's go check that out.
It's we're gonna capture that.
Whole second floor is a master bedroom, yeah.
Yep.
And we have here the same amazing. Yeah. Here's workspace with a nice view, and it's combined with master bedroom, and you can make it more private using curtains. And here's perfect place for your mistress.
So Alex, this bed was custom made for this house. It's 240 centimeters wide and 210 long, basically a custom king size bed, and then they had to get the custom Eurotex sheets and blankets to fit it. But the wife's dream, her favorite part of this house, or the favorite part of this bed. Come here. Come here. So if you forget your rice, Husbands, if you forget your rice for your wife, it's Glock time, huh? Glock or rice? Let me know.
It's mirror.
Here is shower on the second floor with shower and washer. This master bedroom has a huge balcony with breathtaking view. And here's table and big hammock. You can chill here whenever you want.
Alex, you see this little magnet on the
Yeah,
fridge?
what is it?
Hook. I know.
Hey, nice little cup shelf. Or is it? You open it, take out the little pin. You got a secret safe.
Voila.
So these secret like magnet safes are all over the house. This is the only one I'm allowed to show you. So there are big freaking safes, gun safes, whatever, all over the house. Most of them are hidden, just like this closet itself. I am not allowed to show you where. But if you give us some money, maybe they'll show you. But check this out.
Oh yeah.
So this crossbow, I'm not gonna say too much now, but this is a precursor of what I'm about to show you downstairs. But first, I'm gonna put this away. I'm gonna put this away and go to the roof and show you something else first.
So yeah, this was another. Or this is not was. But
Pew 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 pew.
Or
Pew, pew,
or we could go take the crossbow to the roof and make sure nobody's spying on us or something.
Yeah. So let's go upstairs.
So these solar panels are 18,000 watt with 24 kilowatt hours lithium battery system. So this is a crazy amount. And speaking of off-grid, they have underground 45,000 liter water collection system. And they have a switch where they can go from collecting from the city to collecting the rainwater, because they have a massive roof here that collects rainwater. They have hidden gutters that go down to this 45,000 liter tanks under the ground. So that's crazy.
yeah, water heater.
So the entire roof here is actually big solar panels, and then there's the water tanks. But these are just the water tanks for the house. We'll show you some more cool stuff below. But check out this view from the third floor. And just this one wall section right here next to this creek, just this part on this side of the house or the property costs millions of pesos, hundreds of thousands of dollars. Just this one. It's double tall and just really built awesome.
It's a guest house with 3 bedrooms, 1 bath. Yeah, let's check it out.
Yeah.
Here is living room with indoor kitchen. Here is the bedroom with split aircon. Shower, hot water of course. Another bedroom, also with split aircon, that's everywhere.
Dude, you gotta check out this kitchen. It's an outdoor dirty kitchen, I think they call it, but it's gotta be the nicest one I've ever seen.
Yeah, I already can see it. Oh my. It's a huge. Nobody.
Yeah, at first I was like, wow, this is a really nice kitchen. Then I was like, oh my, there's no walls. This is an outdoor kitchen?
Yeah.
Couldn't believe how nice it was.
It's a bit space to the right and left a little bit.
Yeah, you're definitely ready to another year of pandemic, yeah?
Yeah. It's just a storage.
I told you guys, if you're a prepper, this is your house. It's already set up. Look, emergency meals, 72-hour meals. Oh, there's spaghetti. Look at all these dried fruits, all these canned stuff. Yeah, this is already a prepper's dream right here. Not just the house. It's not just a bunker. It's got your food already. Nice house, huh?
Yeah.
We're not done. Okay, I've been waiting to show you until the very end. Follow me. Just outside this little guest house, huh? Come here. Nice view, right? But look at this. Oh, there's nothing to see here. Or is there? Eat. Oh, God, that's heavy.
Yeah, it is heavy.
You're a strong man.
We have to check out what is down in the hole. Look at this. Ready? Ready?
Yeah. Let's try.
Okay, come on. Yes, there's a secret underground firing range in their house. Now, all the windows in the house and the doors and the walls are tempered hardened glass, but in this room, they're bulletproof glass. Quiet on the set. I need a studio like this.
We will not take them second time, yeah?
Next time they stay at home, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
So this room, no expenses were spared. Of course, it has the soundproof. I mean, we're a good like 12, I don't know, 15 feet underground. But check this out. If I flip these two switches, it has an air filtration system that totally replaces all the air in here within 5 minutes. So now, you're never gonna get too much gun smoke or any of that. The AC also works, so that's nice. All right, Alex, I showed you the air filtration system, the bulletproof glass. There's a safe over there full of guns. Really, the only thing left to do is to have you stand right here and I'll be right back. You just stay there, it'll be okay. Okay.
You want to see my tennis racket?
Yeah, show us your tennis racket.
Oh, wow.
I bet you win every match in tennis. Got the underground bunker shooting range. The neighbors don't even know. They can't hear anything. Check it out. It closes right into the porch. Can't even tell it's there. This is awesome. So Alex, this is kind of a smart house setup that's got Alexa everywhere in the house and on this porch. So I just have to sit here and say, Alexa, play.
Calm down.
Calm down. So hey, check out this tennis court. What I really like about this property, especially the tennis court, is they constructed awesome drainage systems. This is a huge area that could turn into a pool if it wasn't built right. But they got drainage systems, you know, on the whole property, and that's another awesome detail that made this place really expensive to build. We just showed you an awesome underground firing range. Probably don't see that very often in the Philippines. But this whole entire lot, they bought multiple lots and put them together under one title. It's about 5,700 square meters.
Yeah, it's a huge.
Yeah. It also has this huge, highly manicured, nice and expensive tennis court on the property right in front of the house, as you can see. And he said it's the top 2 or top 3 in the entire island of Negros Oriental. So yeah, it's a really nice thing. They even imported these chairs and scorekeeper things, and you could have like competitions here and tournaments. So
Okay, what they building over there?
Oh
over
yeah,
here?
so they're still building, it's like a huge garage. So I think it's a 6 or 7 car garage. It's not finished yet, but it's gonna be massive. It's already walled, it's part of the walled in area. So it's gonna be a really cool area. One cool thing about this, they kept buying like the neighbors and stuff so that nobody else would buy next to you. So there's still a lot of land area where you can build other stuff, guest houses, Airbnb, whatever you want to build on this property. There's still a lot of empty land left, including this huge garage that is not finished yet.
What about the price?
So they're asking 65 million pesos. You can put how much dollars that is on the screen, but it is negotiable. They have a few properties here and they want to move out of the Philippines. So it is negotiable. So if you guys are interested in a property like this, pretty much turnkey, fully furnished, ready to go, but still room to build your odds and ends, whatever you want extra, Alex will put the email or something down below.
Yeah.
They asked us to keep this place private, not show it on a map, not show where it's at. There's no chance of accidentally running into it because it's, even though it is near the paved road, it's a little, there's trees and stuff, you can't see it. So yeah, we can't show you the location unless you're a serious buyer, like ready to go. We're not just gonna give people tours around to this place.
Yeah.
So
thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed as we did. Yeah, here.
yeah,
Yeah, it was really fun. Shooting range, just awesome.
it's nice to smell gun smoke again.
Yeah.
See you guys.
Yeah. Bye.